Hi mga loves, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is well. In today's video, i-share ko po sa inyo yung recipe ko na chicken curry, and these are all the ingredients. So we have potato here, carrots, we need chicken as well. This is like almost more than half a pound. Curry powder. This is 2 tablespoons. Onion, bell pepper, you can use red or green bell pepper. Garlic, we need ginger, and also 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, patis, and we'll be needing also a coconut milk. This is 400 ml, 1/2 cup of water. We're gonna be needing black peppercorns, and I use the evaporated milk. Any brand will do, but I'm not using the whole can of evaporated milk. I'm only using 1/2 cup, which is here already. Alright mga loves, umpisahan na natin. Alright guys, mainit na yung cooking oil. So I just use 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter, and melted them all together. So ilalagay ko na yung onion. And then garlic. And I'm gonna add the ginger as well. I just slice or cut the ginger into like a strip size. So once everything turns translucent and I can smell the aroma of the spices, we can go ahead put our chicken. So you can use boneless chicken of this recipe, and you can, traditionally a lot of people like to use the chicken with bone in it. And guys, this is also good for medianoche, I mean New Year's Eve dinner. So I just slice my chicken into chunky size. Use that. I think I forgot to mention, I am using also just 1 cubes or 1 piece of knorr cubes, chicken cubes. So here's the 1 piece of chicken cubes. I don't know if you can hear that noise. The AC just kicked in. So I'll do that. And now I'm going to add at least 1 teaspoon of pepper to taste. And our curry powder, 2 tablespoons. Just mix it well so that all the chicken get coated with that curry powder. I'm gonna go ahead add now the 1 tablespoon of a fish sauce, the patis. So, depende sa panlasa ninyo guys. I'll just gonna taste this when it's almost done cooking, like, you know, if I need to add some salt or not. So now we are going to wait at least probably 8 to 10 minutes to get the chicken tender before to add the rest of the ingredients. Alright mga loves, I let it simmer for a few minutes, and this is how it's look like right now. Now I'm going to add some peppercorn, just few amount of peppercorn, like, I don't know, like this amount. And then I'm going to add now the potato. And some carrots. And just stir them, like trying to saute the meat and the vegetable together. And then I am going to let this simmer again at least for 5 minutes. Alright guys, it's been 5 minutes. So we are going to add the coconut milk right now. And then the evaporated milk. So this is my version guys of my chicken curry, and when this is done and cooked later, the sauce is a little thick and creamy. I'm going to add on a little water, just like almost 1/2 cup of water, because we're gonna let this simmer again for another like between 10 to 15 minutes, just enough for the coconut milk to cook. And lastly, we are going to add on also the bell pepper. You can use green bell pepper if you want, or you can mix of the two, so it's, you know, for aroma, taste, and it's colorful. Alright mga loves, let's just simmer this for another several minutes, like between 10 to 15 minutes. Alright mga loves, it's been simmering for 12 minutes now, so this is how it's gonna look like. So ang bango niya guys. So I am going to try it. Let's see kung kailangan ng salt, and I wanna try also the potato if it is cooked. Yes, it is cooked. Ang sarap, but I think I'll be needing like at least 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It's up to you. So I recommend after all the 1 piece of knorr cubes, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, you need to taste it first, okay, before adding on a salt. So that's only small amount of salt. Alright mga loves, this is perfect for medianoche. Alright, it is cooked. And so here's our chicken curry. Alright guys, I hope you learned from this video today, and if you want to try it, let me know how it turns out. And I have my rice here with me, so I'm gonna try it now. It's yummy. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish my dinner off the camera. I'll see you in my next video. Happy New Year everyone. Bye!